Welcome back to Perfect Health Hustle, where we explore the world of health and wellness. Today, we have an exciting episode lined up for you all about nutrition and balanced diet, the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. So, grab a pen and paper, get ready to take some notes, and let's dive right in. We all know that maintaining a balanced diet is crucial for our overall well-being. It not only provides us with the energy we need but also ensures our bodies receive essential nutrients to function optimally. In this video, we'll be exploring the fundamentals of nutrition and sharing valuable insights on how to create a balanced diet tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or simply live a healthier life, understanding the basics of nutrition is key. To start off, we'll delve into the three macronutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. You'll learn how each of these components plays a vital role in our bodies and discover healthy sources to include in your daily meals. We'll then take a closer look at the power of micronutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, and their impact on our overall health. Discovering the rich sources of these micronutrients will help you make informed choices when it comes to planning your meals. We won't stop there. We'll also share some practical tips on how to incorporate more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into your diet. We'll explore delicious and nutritious recipes that are easy to prepare, helping you stay on track and make healthier choices every day. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation in nutrition and a clearer understanding of how to create a balanced diet that suits your goals and lifestyle. We want to empower you to make positive changes to your eating habits and ultimately improve your overall well-being. Thank you for joining us today on this journey to better nutrition and a balanced diet. We hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on health, fitness, and wellness. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.